Back at Group Stage 1 as we hack into the player comms of AHQ and Edward Gaming for a special Worlds edition of All Chat.
AHQ could still potentially cause a big upset here. If they could take down EDG, they still have a chance of qualifying.
露露没 TP， 小峰可以看一下。他们要过来。你们跟我到吗？要上了，要上了。
He gets hooked once again. This is real bad news once again.
我干姐，我干那个，他死了，陆先死了，解析，他没闪。露露出来呀，露露出来呀。
They can take Baron, or they can say, screw the Baron, let's go for the win.
They're gonna go right up that mid lane, Joe. They want to answer the inhibitor. Let's see if they can do it. 5 members shoving it on the turret.
What the hell is happening here, ladies and gentlemen? AHQ are turning this game on its head.
冷静。大绝15秒，时光很GG。
This crowd is lighting up and ready for AHQ to take a victory.
Oh my God, Bryce, he's going low here, but he himself has got a guardian angel. Koro is still in there. They're focusing on the next. And the Nets has got to finish it. They're managing to do it. They're taking AHQ. Edward Gaming. Can you believe it? Insane scenes here in Taipei. Wow!